What up, what up, what up? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Fabulous followers. When I tell y'all, I have literally not even done my hair today. Not even gotten dressed. I just wanted to come out here to record a quick intro and say happy Vlogtober. October is the month of my birthday. October is the month I'm finally going on my first freaking cruise ever. Pay for myself, double occupancy because I'm going solo, and still was able to make it happen. It's an older ship. It's not Royal Caribbean, it's Carnival, and ask me if that makes a difference. They call it the booze cruise. I'm not a drinker, but I turn up like I'm one, and I'm planning on having me a good old time. I already got next year's destination planned, and I'm sitting up here letting this time creep up on me. See, I got my hair cut after work on the 17th. Because when do I leave? The 18th? No, the haircut is on the 18th. I leave on the 19th. Yeah, because the cruise starts on the 20th. On the 19th, I'll arrive in Miami. We already talked about that and have a day plan. But I'm literally sitting next to a lot of stuff that needs to be packed. Some of the stuff is going to go in my personal item bag because I'll have that with me as soon as I get to the ship. I've been writing down some essentials to make sure I remember for as far as taking and what I want to do when I get there first, my itinerary from day to day. Part of me felt so relaxed and in a good space that it was going to come off as boredom boredom, loneliness yesterday. And I was like, you tripping. Then this morning, I woke up feeling sad. And I had watched those 3 episodes of Angel on BT Plus. If you haven't seen that, check it out. But now I'm like left on a cliffhanger because where's more episodes? I need to know what else is going on with the show. Told a friend of mine that I felt sad, but the truth of the matter is I'm not sad. I'm calm, I'm alone. There's levels and times when alone can feel a tad bit lonely, and I don't really like that. And I know it's my own fault because I'm an introverted extrovert. And it's like if there's really something going on that I want to attend, then I could be around people. But just to go out and about, to say I'm out and about and around people, I can't do it. I talked about going to Hobby Lobby yesterday because I got a picture I want to put in a frame. I talked about going to Dollar General yesterday, get some more things for the office. I talked about going to Aldi yesterday, grabbing a couple of their fall candles. I did none of the above because I really didn't want to be around people. So it's like when you start saying you bored or you lonely, fam, like you need to realize that that's because you choose to be. So when I thought I was going to have my woe is me moment, luckily it was time for the word. Dr. Phillips did a very good message today. Some practical tips to take into life and to just knowing that, you know, I am a warrior and I do deserve the blessings that are upon me. And it shouldn't feel weird or scary when things are going so great because I did have a victim mindset or a past of where I felt was like strife and struggle and survival. But that is no more. God has not only kept me, He has blessed me abundantly. I mean, I went from April to September of this year with no income.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
I was blessed beyond measure with my rent covered for all of those months. A stranger sowed so heavily into me that it's beyond belief. You know, some people would never even want, self included, to be so far in debt to someone who's only known them a freaking year. And I call it a stranger, but it's like we treat each other like family already. They literally were just calling to check on me when I was in there recording myself writing my gratitude journal. So as soon as I'm done filming, I'm going to contact them back. But I just wanted to put some things together for you guys to click off Vlogtober.
Are you stupid or something?
So they get the earliest embarkation time. I'm a little nervous about the de-embarkation, but what I've been told was if you have your passport, it's still a line, it's still a process, but once you get up there, you easy squeezy with the passport. If you just got your birth certificate, it's gonna be some trouble. So thank God that I've invested in myself and got that passport. I also talked to my son about us doing something together maybe, or you know, just wanting to have like another party. Like on my 40th, I was belle of the ball. I did the strapless dress, makeup, wig, whole nine. This year I want to do that again. Next year, I mean, for my 50th. But I think I'm going to do some boot heels because I seem to feel more sturdier in those. Hopefully lose a little weight before then. But I don't think I can do them shoe stilettos like I used to. It's so funny when you see a masculine woman that can actually work that look out. And I am one. One of the things that I do enjoy about Grams too, she do the little thrift store heel shopping, and I love that. I never recorded it. The only time I ever showed anybody was a couple of exes, but it may be something that I get back to in the future, just getting more comfortable with moving around more. I've been here almost 2 years, and I really haven't done a whole lot in this city. It's about time for me to get a new stick. I think I want to get some of the Vampire Blood sage sticks this time. There's different sage sticks depending on what kind of saging you're trying to do. Altogether, I've had 3 different types. I also had one that was actually made at a Indian reservation, more like a smudging stick. I would love to get me another one of those. Someone who had actually went to a retreat brought it back for me. So I just get it really lit, blow it a little bit. I tend to start with the forest corner in the house. I'm turning it around now. Even though I have my air on right now, I do open my window and my patio as I start so that the spirits can go out, the negative energy can go out. So I start at the furthest corner of my home, and I just go through. This might get ready to pack pile. Can y'all believe it's only 18 days left? Until I will be boarding a ship for the first time. You're getting ready to use your passport in less than 18 days when you didn't have it since summer 2020. The devil will sure try to do it. Oh, I didn't open the patio yet. I'm not even going to turn my air off. I just got to provide a way to get the energies out. And we don't want setting intentions. I really like to concentrate on my sleeping area. And after I sage, I do sometimes I have frankincense and myrrh incense. I kind of started over here, but not really. Or lavender, nag champa, to just kind of help bring in the good energy. As you can see, I got dinner prepped. Put that back in. This is the little thing I keep it in for prosperity. Set intentions for your month. Vlogtober.
Yo, my boy. I'm in the line, bro. You hit me back, man. What's going on with you, man? Shit, out the way. I feel you. Fuck with me, don't link. Hit me on the book or something. You feel me? First thing first, we can't talk if you make statements. My new boo interview be cause she thinks she a replacement. My niggas ain't working, still you catch them at the day shift. They hit that boy at it and they sent them to the basement. Niggas posting guns, what you trolling police? I move like SB Dunks, I be low with the heat. Call me Mr. Freeze, they be froze when I speak. Running game on hoes, who controlling to me? Yeah, weak Timbs, baby, you can't tie me down. Maybe so if you was it, but you looking like a clown. Probably see a nigga up, so you tryna hold me down. Graduated for the cap, all you need is a gown, huh?
Some of the things I do on the beginning of the new month too is my gratitude and my self-affirmation. So I'm about to write out 2 for the month of October. And if you look around, let me turn the light on. I have some from previous months. If they fall down more than once, I just kind of let them. But I try to add 1 or 2 more each month. Okay. So, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend to tell a friend. We are in Vlogtober. I can't promise I'm going to drop y'all a video every day for Vlogtober, but I'm going to really try and get y'all some good content because, again, October is my month. My month. Fabulous Vlogtober. Namaste.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart, I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still build me. They took my innocence, no surprise I pled guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.